Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel TechScope by Vishali. Today we are going to see the next lead code problem for the array easy category. So our name is problem number 35, search insertion position. So let's see its problem statement first. Given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, okay, return the index if the target is found, and if not, return the index where it would be if were inserted in an order. Okay, so basically the two things would be given into the parameter. First is the array of distinct integers, sorted array, which would be the sorted, and the second is the target value. Okay, and there is a one more constraint that you must write an algorithm with big O of log n runtime complexity. Okay, so now let's understand the problem with the examples. The first example here is numbers array is given with element 1356 and the target is here 5. Now we need to return the index if the target is found, and if not, then return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. Okay, so we will first check if the target is present in the array or not. So if we are seeing in the array the 5 is present and it's at index 0, 1, 2. At index number 2, the 5 element is present, so we will return the 5. Now let's see the next example. Here the number of array is given as 1356 and our target is 2. This is the second condition where the target is not present in this array. So we have to insert the target in a such a way that the array's sorting would not be disturbed. Means the 2 should be come after the 1 and before the 3. Means the 2 would become at this index and all these three index remaining three elements would be shifted further. So the 2 would be inserted at index here. First is 0, second is 1. So the output would be 1. So now let's see how we can solve this problem. So starting with its coding past, we will be using the two pointer in this problem. So let's take two pointers, first left as 0 and right as nums dot length. Okay, so we'll iterate from left to right and right to left and check. We'll be taking one mid element whose value will be left plus right minus left by 2. Basically, we call it divide and conquer approach we'll be using. We'll check if this element is greater. If the first condition, if the mid element will be dividing the array and we'll be picking one mid element and we'll be checking if the target is equal to the mid element of the array. If the target is equal to the mid element of the array, then we will return the mid element from here. Now, the second condition we'll be checking if our target is less than the mid element. Okay, so if the target is less than the mid element, then will be as the array is in sorted order and target is less than the mid element means it would be only at the left side of the mid element. Okay, so we'll be shifting our right pointer to the mid. Now it will only iterate now till the from the left array to the mid only, which would become now the right pointer. Okay, and else left value would be assigned to mid plus 1. Okay, so let's put the block here as well. Yeah, okay, and at the end let's return the left element. Okay, fine. Now let's run the code and check. It's giving the compilation error. Okay, here I need to take this. Again, okay, yeah, that's fine. So as we can see, our three test cases has been passed. Let's run and check if all test cases are being passed and are we getting the correct runtime complexity or not. So it beats 100% and it is working fine expected, and all the test cases has been passed 66 out of 66. So I hope guys this problem solution would be understandable to you all, and I hope I might be able to explain you better. If there is any concern, any doubt, or any suggestions, please DM me in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video, and please do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.